Ancient Indonesian cave yields world's oldest rock art. Scientists have confirmed the discovery of the world's oldest known rock art, a 67,800-year-old hand stencil found in a cave on the Indonesian island of Sulawesi. This finding not only pushes back the timeline of artistic expression by modern humans, but also provides crucial insight into early human migration routes between Asia and Australia. Early human presence in island Southeast Asia. The artwork, located in a cave system in southeast Sulawesi, represents the earliest definitive evidence of Homo sapiens inhabiting the islands between the Asian and Australian continental shelves. The hand stencil, a simple yet striking image, is surrounded by other, younger rock art, including additional hand stencils. This discovery fills a critical gap in understanding how the ancestors of Indigenous Australians dispersed through the region before reaching the continent at least 60,000 years ago. According to study lead author Adhai Agus Octaviana, the artists behind these paintings likely belonged to a larger population that would later spread across the region and eventually populate Australia. The significance lies in confirming that these early humans were not simply surviving. They were actively creating cultural expressions. Meaning and method behind the art. The exact meaning of the hand stencils remains unknown, but researchers suggest they may have served as markers of group membership. Co-author Maxime Aubert explains that such art could have functioned as a way to identify belonging. If you knew about the cave and the art, you were part of the group, part of the culture. The dating process involved analyzing calcium carbonate deposits, cave popcorn, that grew over the artwork. By dating these mineral formations, scientists established a minimum age for the underlying images, with some samples also providing maximum age estimates through pigment layering. The dated hand stencil measures 5.5 by 3.9 inches, with faded but visible fingers intentionally narrowed, a technique unique to Sulawesi art. Implications for human migration. This discovery is particularly important because it supports the theory that early modern humans reached Australia via a northern route. The proposed path involved sailing from present-day Borneo to Sulawesi, and then onward to western Papua, or the Indonesian island of Misul. The art's location along this suspected migration route strengthens the idea that the first Australians were not only capable of long-distance seafaring, but also carried rich cultural traditions with them. The cave itself shows continuous use as a canvas for at least 35,000 years, with a second-hand stencil created no earlier than 32,800 years ago found nearby. This suggests that the site held ongoing cultural significance for generations. Future research possibilities. Researchers are now exploring the possibility of extracting DNA from the artwork, as the stencils may have been applied using the mouth. If successful, this would provide a direct genetic link to the artists themselves. The discovery in Sulawesi is a stunning testament to the creativity and adaptability of early modern humans, solidifying their presence in island Southeast Asia long before their arrival in Europe. It underscores that the first people to populate Australia were not just survivors, but artists, explorers, and carriers of complex symbolic traditions.